Hi friends, today's video is a collaboration. It's the Homemaking Heart and it is being hosted by Clarissa at Sunny in the Suburbs. She's a sweet friend. She has great content on her channel, lots of homeschooling, organizing, different lifestyle type content. So please be sure to go check her out along with the playlist I will leave down below. So today's theme is giving thanks or Thanksgiving. So we're going to share lots of different Thanksgiving type ideas for you, and it's different types of channels, so you'll find lots of inspiration here. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you what I'm doing today. And today I'm sharing with you a recipe for maple pecan cookies, and these are really good. These are great for Thanksgiving or the fall time, but you need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of chopped pecans. You'll need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and then you need 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. You will also need 1/2 cup of pure maple syrup, so don't use like pancake syrup or anything, because that won't work as well. So this is what you want to use, something like this that says 100% pure maple syrup. And then you also need 1 cup of packed dark brown sugar, but it also says you can use light brown sugar if you have it. And then 1/2 cup of unsalted butter softened, so basically a stick of butter, so 8 tablespoons, and 1 large egg. To a mixing bowl, you want to add your flour, your salt, baking soda, and then the cinnamon and nutmeg, and then just whisk it, mix it up really well to incorporate fully into the flour. Then to a mixing bowl, you want to add your softened butter and your brown sugar. And I just break up the brown sugar a little bit just so it's a little easier to mix up. But you're going to cream these two together with an electric mixer. So just cream it and mix it until you get a creamy consistency. So once you get that consistency, then you're going to add the egg. And then you're going to mix that up and start adding in the maple syrup. Now gradually mix in the flour, so don't add all of it at once, just add a little bit at a time. Mix it in, and as you go, you will eventually not see the flour anymore. So once you get to that point, then that mixture is done. And then you will just stir in your pecans, and I add just a little bit at a time, the same way I did with the flour. But this is a thick batter, so just make sure, just to mix it in well, so that way the pecans get incorporated throughout and you have pecans in each cookie. Preheat your oven to 350, line a cookie sheet with either parchment paper or aluminum foil, and then bake for about 10 to 14 minutes. And this is what you end up with. These were absolutely delicious. Really did love these cookies. So maple and pecan cookies are really, really good for fall or anytime, but definitely a nice little treat. And the recipe says it makes 14, I believe, but that's if you make them really large, and I got a lot more than 14 out of these. But these, like I said, simple and easy to make and perfect for Thanksgiving or any holiday gathering. And you can see the pecans in this one, and so as long as you mix it really well, you'll get pecans in each cookie. But you can see how nice and chewy these are going to be. So really, really did enjoy these. But if you overbake them, they won't be as chewy. So don't overbake it. During this holiday season of Thanksgiving, I hope that you have plenty to be thankful for. And I know I do, especially family. So I'm looking forward to, Thanksgiving and spending that time with them. Please don't forget to check Clarissa's channel and the playlist down below in the description box. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and that'll notify you when I post new videos. Hope everyone has a blessed day. God bless y'all.